Welcome back, guys. It's been a minute since I saw you. A big part of it is you could hear it. I got a really bad sinus infection, and I don't know if you can tell or not, but like my nose was so swollen and my whole face was swollen. My eyes were swollen. It was crazy. I got like, I'm definitely still, you can definitely still see it. Like, look underneath my eyes. Oh, anyways. I think I'm feeling better. It's been a few days since I've worked out, and I've had to really like just nourish my body with food because I was feeling pretty weak. So today's the first day I feel like a little bit better. I'm gonna attempt to go to the gym, but to be able to do that, I need pre-workout. So today's video is going to be dedicated to pre-workout. If you don't know what pre-workout is, it's basically a drink you can take before you start to work out, like 20-30 minutes before you work out, and it just gives you this boost of energy. So when you're working out, it makes you push a lot harder. I don't think I can go make this workout today without pre-workout, so I need all the pre-workout I can get. Okay. Here is the pre-workout I use. I'm going to show it to you guys. I'm going to go work out, and then when I get back, I'm going to tell you a lot more about pre-workout so you have information, and then you can make the decision if it's right for you or not. All right, let's do this. So this is the pre-workout I personally use. There was another one I used to use, but they discontinued it. So I started using this one. It's by Alani New. I think I have to find out more information about her, but this is the rainbow candy flavor energy endurance pump, and then this is all the nutritional information that I'm going to go through in a bit more detail as soon as I get back. Okay, one scoop of this, let's do it. So I will not be pushing myself that hard today, you guys. My goal is just to get my body moving, and then hopefully just get some airflow through my nose, build up some oxygen just to maybe like clear me up a little bit. So not gonna go hard, just get back in the game. Wow, I can't believe how early, I can't even talk. It gets dark so early now. It's crazy. It's like only like 5 o'clock. Anyways, guys, I feel so much better. It's crazy how like running just like cleared everything up. Like I could actually breathe. That was so worth it. I'm so happy I came. I feel so much better. All right, guys, I'm back home, and as I promised, let's talk about pre-workout. So I know that some of you guys might feel like maybe pre-workout is for someone who's like going hard at the gym, but it's really not. You could just use it anytime. So the exact definition of a pre-workout is, so Wikipedia says that it is a bodybuilding supplement and contains ingredients that are intended to give a sudden boost of energy. So I'm going to just stop right there for a second. I don't think it's just for bodybuilding. I think it's for anyone who's working out, especially if you're doing cardio. Like when I take pre-workout, it helps me run so much more on the treadmill. So it's definitely not just for bodybuilding, but I'll continue. These supplements are over the counter and are used by many athletes to help aid in performance and recovery. Again, not just for athletes. Anyone can use it. Pre-workout supplements contain ingredients such as blah, 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 all the stuff that aid in muscle recovery after a strenuous workout. So it does help your muscles recover. This boost is mainly supplied by caffeine. Pre-workout can be beneficial for performing strenuous exercises. Why am I having troubles reading today? I don't know. So pre-workout is usually a powder drink mix like I showed you guys earlier. And there's a couple of things to note here. Since almost every supplement and nutrition brand out there has a pre-workout formula, there's really no two pre-workouts that are exactly the same. They all have different ingredients. They all have different things inside them. So you really have to do your research. And this is what's very important because there's a lot of like different opinions on pre-workouts. Some people think it's good. Some people think it's bad. You need to do your research to see which one's good because the ingredients are different. The consensus is some ingredients have been studied and have been proven to improve performance, whereas other ingredients have shown that they're not the best things. Keep in mind, guys, I am not an expert. I am not a professional. I am not a doctor. I am just telling you from my experience. I've been taking pre-workout for years and years and years. I've taken different ones throughout the years, and I personally have never had a problem with pre-workout. I love pre-workout. I can't really work out without it. One thing I will say, like a couple of side effects, well, yeah, 2 side effects. So once I take the pre-workout, I personally start to feel like the tingles. So you start to feel like all like the little tingles, which means it's kicking in, and that's kind of like the caffeine and everything to give you the energy boost. And then usually another side effect from it is that it just kind of gives me energy all day. So I personally really like it for that reason. But at the end of the day, you guys have to do your own research and don't take my word for it. Everyone kind of has a different opinion on pre-workouts. So definitely just do your research and see what you feel like. The one that I mentioned that I use is from Alani Nu. This is the brand, and I think the reason I really like this one is because basically what it says right here: no fillers. Alani Nu products are made without fillers or gimmicks, just nutrition to boost your workout. And I really do feel like, I don't know, this pre-workout just works for me. Ingredients you can actually pronounce, everything you need and nothing you don't. So this is the one that I use. I just ordered it online. It's like $40 pre-workout, and then it comes in different flavors. So if you guys end up trying this out, let me know. I have a feeling that there's going to be a lot of different opinions on this video. If you don't agree with what I say, that's totally fine. Just be nice. Don't be mean. What else can I tell you guys? Let me break down my meal plan for today, because I had a very hearty day of eating. It felt great. It felt good to just like give my body a lot of nutrition. And whenever I'm feeling sick, I always give my body more food. I make sure that I don't deprive my body, and I just fuel it up as much as possible. And then for workouts today, like I said, I took it easy. I did a little bit of cardio. I did a little bit of weights, but nothing too strenuous. The cardio just cleared me up so much. Just like getting that airflow going just really helped clear up my sinuses. So that was great. Well, that's it for today, guys. I feel like this week definitely was a little bit slower. I had a lot of like soups and rice and stuff like that, and the soup usually has a lot of sodium, so I feel a little bit puffier than usual. So I'm not sure about weigh-in this week. I'm a little bit nervous. I feel like weigh-in might be either the same or hopefully it didn't go up. So, and I wasn't really working out as much, so I don't know. I think this week might be not the best, but this is reality. This is reality. It's that time of year when everybody's getting sick, and you just gotta push through. Just because, you know, you have an off week, it doesn't mean you give up. Like, this is just reality, guys. But that's it. If you guys missed my makeup tutorial, if you guys didn't see it, I posted a brand new makeup tutorial yesterday. I love the way that the makeup came out. It was the makeup I had in my last fitness journey video, and it was just so pretty. So make sure you check that out. And yeah, more videos coming to you guys soon. Hit that subscribe button if you're new, and leave me a comment and add me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.